Can you imagine how cool a robot can be? See HolaBot, a robot built with safety, intelligence, and high-capacity performance. So, how does he work? Just look at all these dirty dishes. Better call HolaBot. Here he comes now. Before he arrives, you can focus on clearing the table. Obstacles can be accurately detected and avoided automatically. You will be notified when HolaBot arrives. On arrival, a notification will be sent to who to watch. Say his name to have HolaBot take the dishes away. Where is he going? There are a couple more stops to make. Multiple requests can be handled in turn. Everything has been collected, so now he goes to the dishwashing station. You will be notified when HolaBot has arrived in the dishwashing station. You can collect all the dishes and dismiss HolaBot without touching him. Just pass your hand over the head sensor, and he will return to the waiting area. HolaBot's 60 kilograms load capacity means that he is 4 times as efficient as a waiter, whether he's in a coffee shop, a hospital, a restaurant, or a warehouse. HolaBot will come quickly when called.